Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius Fire Sign. This is July weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Sagittarius Fire Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Going on Sagittarius. Under the deck, 8 of Cups, King of Pentacles, 9 of Cups and 7 of Swords. I think your person is sneaky. They played games with you in past and your wishes are going to be granted. Wish fulfillment. Right now, Sagittarius, you move focusing on your career. You want to create more money, abundance. Your total focus is on your career and money. And 8 of Cups. I think lots of you are in separation. You walked away from this relationship or they walked away. According to me, it's you. Because there are some trust issues. Lots of you are involved in third party situation. Family could be the issue here or friends. So that's why you decided to walk away from this relationship. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Strength, Ace of Wands and 9 of Swords. I think in recent past you were in depression or in anxiety type of energy. So you want to overcome this energy. Then you started focusing on your inner strength. In past you overcome this energy. You already overcome. If not, you will, because the strength card is here. So now you stand by your power. And you are very focusing on your career. Ace of Wands. New opportunities in career. You started focusing on your career from recent past. Then present, 2 of Swords, Page of Swords and 8 of Pentacles. I think you have to make some decision regarding your life or regarding your relationship. But you are indecisive about making that decision. And lot of spying is going. Maybe you are spying on them or they are spying on you. I think it's you maybe spying on them. And 8 of Pentacles. But it is not about emotional dependency anymore. And you are more focusing on your career. 8 of Pentacles. You want to achieve your goal. You are creating more money through more new opportunities. Then future, 10 of Swords, 3 of Swords and Magician. In this relationship, you are fed up with this energy. You are very tired and you are heartbroken. 3 of Swords energy. After this energy, you will be in this Magician energy. You will manifest whatever you want. Yes, your wish fulfillment and manifestation. Maybe you are trying to manifest something big into your life. Definitely you're still feeling sad for the separation. You're still missing them. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Leo. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. 7 of Wands, King of Swords, King of Cups, Emperor. I think your person have ego. Definitely their ego. They have more ego than you. And right now they're not talking to you. They're not expressing their true feelings. But they do love you. And 7 of Wands. Definitely they won't give up on you. They still want to be with you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Sagittarius, their current feelings and intentions. Queen of Cups, Three of Swords. I think you both are on the same page. You both are mirroring each other. Under the deck, 5 of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles. Now they're thinking about long term with you. So they want to say apology or they want to text you. And 5 of Pentacles. Right now they're suffering in silence. If you are in separation with your person right now, they're missing you. And Queen of Cups. Yes, there is love. Right now they're realizing your worth. Lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries or states. So yes, they want to express their love to you, but right now they're heartbroken. They're missing you badly. I think you both are on the same page. You both mirroring each other. 3 of Swords came twice in this reading. So let's see their intentions. Their current intentions towards you, Sagittarius. Yeah, trust issues. Definitely they did hurt you in past. Maybe they neglected you, they ignored you. So they wanna communicate with you, and lots of you have age difference, major age difference between both of you. And Ace of Swords, definitely they wanna communicate with you, they wanna send message or text, and they wanna give clarity to you, some truth coming out. Yes, you both are on the same page. Still they want rebirth in this connection. 10 of Swords with the Star and 9 of Cups. Wish fulfillment. I think they're also wishing for this connection, and the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. I think you both are mirroring each other a lot. Sagittarius. See, 8 of Wands. Communication. Lots of communication is coming. They're planning to communicate with you. Lots of communication. And there is some changes coming in your life. Yes, this time they're very, very serious about you. And 8 of Wands with Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, they're coming back. For some, it will take some time because they're in slow moving energy. They're missing you badly. They will take action very soon. And lots of communication is coming. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. Yes, there is love. Especially you are not trusting this person because they did hurt you in past. Lot of issues still going between you and your person. Lots of you are involved in third party situation. 5 of Swords energy is here. Yes, you are taking your power back. Things will turn into your favor, Sagittarius. So let's see mutual energies. Yeah, King of Swords with, yes, there is mutual love. At the same time, you both have ego towards each other, but there is love, there is mutual love, but lot of drama is going. And for some, you both are separated right now, but you both missing each other. Lot of drama. It was ended already between you and your person, but your person still want rebirth in this connection, Sagittarius. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Finances and career. Please wait for me. Separation and past person return. So the messages are finances and career. Please wait for me. Separation. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. Conclusions are within reach, full moon, eclipse. So if you are waiting for any conclusion, so it is the message for you. Conclusions are within reach, especially when full moon is going. And it's time to take action, new moon in Aries. So if somebody want to take action towards your person and if you are waiting for sign, so this is the message or sign from universe. It's time to take action, especially when new moon in Aries. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.